who's a sub-citizen?
You will not silence me.
All citizens. Who's a sub-citizen?
Honorable James, Honorable Malema.
Become a
Honorable
full-time
Malema.
No
member.
kind of
Honorable
Winnie
James.
Mandela situation
Be a
here.
full-time
You will not
member.
tell me
Honorable
when to speak.
Malema, Honorable James.
She's not a full-time member.
Doesn't
It's
matter,
not
I'm
my
a
problem.
citizen and I have the interest of
Honorable
Africans
James.
at heart.
She's not a full-time
Honorable
member.
Malema,
Doesn't matter.
and Honorable James.
She must go and get the numbers to become a
must also
full-time
go
member.
somewhere.
Chair.
Go and
Honorable
find Winnie
Malema
Mandela.
and Honorable James. Honorable members, you know, I warned you before we went.
And these people fled from their countries because of the political climate, whatever it is. We don't necessarily know what makes anyone pack their bags and come to South Africa, but it is always for a political reason, although of course we have lots of criminals who also take advantage of that fact. It becomes a problem to actually make pronouncements and